Okay, here's a good question. They ask you to simplify this. So you need to factor the top and the bottom. So to factor out, each of these numbers here are all divisible by 3. So I'm going to take a 3 out first. So if I divide this by 3, it would just be a t squared. If I divide this by 3, it'll be a plus 4t. Plus divide this one by 3, it'll be a 3. Okay, that's on the top. Then on the bottom, I think you can factor out a 9. So if I take a 9 out, this divided by 9 would just be a t squared again. This divided by 9 would be a negative 4t. And this one divided by 9 would be a negative 5. Okay, now hopefully that'll make this top stuff easier to factor. Maybe just before I go on, I'm just going to, rather than do two things at once, I see the 3 and the 9 there. This 9 can be 3 times 3, right? So this factor and this factor will cancel. And I'll just leave all the other stuff. Okay. So let's factor this top thing. It's t squared t in a number, so I know I can go into two brackets, hopefully. Two numbers that multiply to 3 and add to a positive 4. Oh, just 3 times 1, hey? 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So I put a t here, and then use those two numbers, plus 3 and a plus 1. Okay, and then on the bottom I have a 3 there still, and then I'm hoping again that this will go into two brackets. So I need to get things that multiply to a negative 5 and add to a negative 4. Okay, 5 would be like 5 and negative 1, but that gives me a positive 4, not that one. So negative 5 and positive 1, yeah, that gives me negative 4. So I'll use these two numbers. So t minus 5 and t plus 1. Now I look for anything that's the same on the top and the bottom. Yeah, t plus 1 cancel out. So my answer will be just a t plus 3 on the top. If that's the only thing that's up there, I can drop the brackets. If you keep the brackets in, it's not wrong. And then on the bottom, I have 3 times t minus 5. Okay, hopefully that helps. Good question.